Alright, guys. Here we go. FK's 2014 Supreme. Here is the teams and the owner. Best of luck here. We will use Juju Baby and Purple Chair. Start with Juju Baby. I'm recording, right? Yeah. Alright, that's a good start. We should always probably be recording, right? Alright. See if we can compete with that Tom Brady. It's not going to be easy, but we'll try. Alright, Jeremy Hill is 27 of 144 for the Cincinnati Bengals. That goes out to Sin City Sports. 37 of 50. Paul Richardson for the Seahawks. That goes to Jared Lars. Chevy to the Le'Veon Bell, 133 of 162 for the Pittsburgh Steelers. That goes out to Bleez's Cards. And the first hit is a Juju auto. 22 of 65 for the Broncos. That is good for you, health food. Getting the Juju Baby. Juju Baby produce the Juju. All right. No, not a 1 of 1. Jadavion, 102 of 144 for the Houston Texans. That's Sin City. 7 of 99. Kelvin Bench. Going to the Panthers. That's Sin City. And then Bishop Stanky, 80 of 162 for the Tennessee Titans. That is Integra Tiger. And we got Terrence Wested. Numbered 8 of only 10. One color, two color, one color, two color patches with the auto for the Cleveland Browns. NW Collector. NW Collector. Terrence West. Also, if you guys can click the heart button, right where I just pointed, down below the video. It's down in that area. It says follow. Just click it. Just do it. Helps us out a little bit. Brings more people back and entices more people to buy in and stuff. So, all right, I think we got another skinny. 14 of 25. Matt Forte for the Chicago Bears. That goes to the law firm. 80 of 99. Michael Crabtree for the Niners. That goes to Cards and Beyond. 26 of 162. LaShawn McCoy for the Philadelphia Eagles. That is Philly GB. And we got him. Ann Murray, 42 of 75. On-card auto for the Kansas City Chiefs. That is Sin City. Yes, Topps Prime is next. Topps Prime is after this. That'll be the next break. Andrew just ran to the bathroom for a minute. He will be sending out invoices when he gets out. I'm sure of it. I'm sure of it. And if not, I will send him out right after this break. DeMarco Murray, 97 of 144 for the Dallas Cowboys. That is Steve Stelsey. 22 of 25. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. That is Way Chooky. And then Brandon Marshall is 89 of 162 for the Bears again, the law firm. And I think we're going to have multiple guys here. Yes, we are. We got Stanky, Jeremy Hill, Trey Mason, and Carlos Hyde, all 2-color patches. Numbered 5 of 15. Where's the light? There it is. 5 of 15. Titans, Integra Tiger, Bengals, Sin City, Niners, Cards and Beyond, Rams, Integra Tiger. So, I'll have to do that one at the end. Starting next week, we are going to change the rules on randoms. We're going to do majority. If you have a majority of the card, you will get the card. It will go to you. I'm going to change that policy up next week. Um, 64 144 for the Niners, Michael Crabtree, Cards and Beyond. 12 of 99, Dan the Man Marino for the Dolphins. That goes to Hacks 5300. And 74 162, AJ McCarron for the Bengals. That goes out to Sin City. And a giant swatch of Sammy Watkins. 20 of 25 die cut. That goes to the Buffalo Bills. That is Trapper 222222 Hunting. A lot of twos. A lot of twos. Come on. Shit, no red either. Looking for a red. 84 of 144. Downtown John Brown for Ripkins. 59 of 99. Joe Flacco going out to Sin City. And 120 162. Jordan Matthews going out to Philly. And who's this going to be? Bishop Stanky Leg. 14 of 75. Patch auto. Patchy patch auto. Tennessee Titans says Integra Tiger. Integra Tiger. Yeah, Integra, you do. But like I said, we are going to change that policy starting next week. I have to go onto our breakers page and change it and let everyone kind of have. We'll start fresh next week with that new rule. We figure we would just finish this week up with the if you have a spot on the card, you have a chance, and then next week we're going to switch over to the majority rules. So if you buy multiple teams, obviously you're going to have more of the chance to get a majority rules on a card like that. 12 of 144. Eli Manning going out to the Giants. Gumbo. 55 of 99. Matt Ryan for Sin City Sports. And 22 of 162. Jadeveon Clowney for the Texans. That's Sin City Sports again. And an Antonio Brown auto. Number 9 of 50 for the Steelers. That is Bleez's Cards. Antonio Brown. Antonio Brown. Inky. Last box mojo. We do have more Supreme going off tomorrow night, guys. More Supreme tomorrow night. Pulled that Brady printing plate 101 last night. I couldn't believe that. There he is. Right there. Tony Romo, 141 of 144. Going out to the Dallas Cowboys. Steve Stelsey. CJ Spiller, 29/50 for the Buffalo Bills. Trapper. And 95/162, Tom Brady. Going to Joe. And we got double Ann Murray. That is not a good thing. 2 color, 1 color, 3 color, or 2 color. 11/36. Double, yeah, I guess it is a good thing for Sin City because they get 2 hits. 11/36. All right, that wraps up Supreme. Kind of figured. So again, guys, tomorrow more Supreme. I'm not sure what else we have. I know we have that Core Kings going tomorrow. The second half of Bowman's Best. Playbook. Absolute and Limited, I believe, are the other ones going off tomorrow. But we're going to have to random off this one right now, guys. 5/15. Good luck on the randomizer. Again, that rule will change next week. And I will send out Andrew will send out all invoices on Prime. I've got like 6 people asking for a Prime.
That was Supreme.
Lackluster.
Yeah.
Kind of figured that, though.
That was pretty.
Yeah.
What was the best? Anyone?
The best? An Antonio Brown auto was probably the best. There was 2 Ann Murray hits, a Bishop Sankey hit, a Sammy Watkins jersey.
Stuff to compete with last night.
Yep, Terrence West patch autos.
Yeah.
No. And a Juju auto.
Julius Thomas?
Yeah. I got Juju.
What's up, Merlin?
Alright, guys. Here we go. 2s and 3s don't count. We got an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Goes to the Niners. Cards and Beyond. 5/15. Quad patches for the running backs.
Yeah, my invoice is coming right now.
Again, guys, starting next week.